While lots of grown-ups want to have fun cooking with kids, we know it can be hard to make it happen while keeping your sanity intact. Today, we're going to talk about how to approach cooking with your kid chef so that it's fun for both of you. Tip number 1 for making cooking with kids stress-free: make cooking together a family habit. To do this, plan ahead and schedule your cooking ahead of time. Pick a day of the week and designate that as your cooking night. For some bonus points, consider making your cooking night the same day every week. So instead of Friday is movie night, make it Friday is cooking night. Always make sure to build up the excitement and anticipation by talking about cooking ahead of time. The more excited you and your kid chef are, the more fun it will be. The second related tip is to give yourself enough time. It probably goes without saying, but cooking with kids takes longer than cooking by yourself. So it may not be the best strategy to schedule family cooking night when you're running to soccer practice. You'll want to plan for a 30-minute block of time if you're making a quicker snack type recipe, and a 60 to 90-minute block of time if you're making a full meal. Without a time crunch, a lot of the stress of cooking with kids can be alleviated. The third tip is to embrace the mess. Cooking with kids can be messy. There's just no way around it, so we encourage you to go into it with that expectation, and also to keep the wipes and paper towels handy. To make it easier on yourself, assess your mood before inviting the child into the kitchen. If your patience has already been stretched to the limits, perhaps bump the meal to a different day. That way you can enjoy the time with your kiddo instead of stressing. And a practical tip that parents sometimes forget: have your kids wear an apron. That way you don't have to deal with a fashion emergency along with kitchen cleanup. Our fourth tip is to leave perfect behind. Working with kid chefs is definitely unpredictable. Things might go wrong, and the final result might not look as pretty as the picture on Pinterest. If you're a passionate foodie, the meal might not be exactly to your standards, but that's okay. You're cooking with a kiddo for different reasons besides producing a perfect meal. If it's a disaster, you can taste it, decide what to do differently next time, and make sandwiches as a backup meal. Our last tip is Pics or it didn't happen. Kids are so proud when they make a meal all by themselves. Take a photo of the finished product and share with their grandma or uncle. It's a great reminder of what you've accomplished together. We hope that these 5 tips will help grown-ups have fun and lower their stress when cooking with kids. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video: 4 tips to help kid chefs use knives safely when cooking. Happy nomming!